text, you can email her at solidpurefoodsclub@yahoo.com or Leah at call Leah at 0928-713-3014 o 0905-325-0138. Ayan, outreach.
Alam mo yung mga nagtaas ng streamer na yun, galing pa ng Pampanga iba dun eh. Siga Magalang, Pampanga at kanina binigyan tayo ng kakanin.
Ayan.
Iniwan natin sa production room.
Maraming salamat. Ito si Kirby Raimundo, leading off his defender and getting the basket inside the shaded area. At ang ganda naman ng response ng Pure Foods mula sa timeout.
Pamatay sunog, ika nga dahil itong Air 21 was on an 8-0 there.
Spin move
Nawala ang
Arvin,
bola.
Naagaw. Ang ganda ng anticipation on that move. Kirby, lead pass to Kramer, gets it, pero Peter Jun Simon retrieves it. Bukas na bukas si Chico. Has time to set his feet.
Mahirap pa yun eh, no? Inaasanta mo mabuti eh. Nawala yung rhythm mo eh.
Maunahan. Bilis mo ba ng depensa ng Pure Foods on display? Kailangan mag-reset itong Air 21. Homer set. Galaw, sabi niya. Arwin Santos. Masyado malakas ang tira niya. JC Intal, another rebound. Arwin gets it inside. Nakakuha ng foul against John Dan.
Well, he was in too deep. Ano? Buti lang kumagat pa si John Dan doon at mabibigyan ng free throws. Ito si Arwin Santos.
Si Arwin talaga
pa masablay sa
no?
free throw line.
Ito, and you can't get your shooting going. Kuha ka na ng foul.
Oo, ito si action for the first time in his ball game. Richard G replacing ito si Kirby Raimundo.
Richard G, isa pang inside operator para sa Pure Foods PJ Giants. As the free throws are completed, dito si Arwin Santos, 5-point lead, 64-59 at 2-minute mark ng ating third quarter. Lamang pa rin ang Pure Foods. Randon Cablay. Chico Lanete. Chris Paul na naman.
Kaya na
Dalawang
naman,
big, hindi masyadong big.
At si Simon, dami na niyang naisablay dito, hindi po siya umiiskor ulit eh.
Aris ni Maunan, entry pass to Homer C. Natapik ni Chico Lanete ang bola, but he got a piece of the arm.
At walang magagawa si Chico Lanete dun. Malaki yung binabantayan niya eh.
Pupunta sa linya para sa dalawang free throw, Homer C, who has been a pleasant surprise para kay Coach Bo Perafon
In this conference, tama ka dyan. Kaya lang.
Hindi pumasok. Pero 6 points and 5 boards on Homer C.
Well, in the midst of a rally, itong Air 21 Express, 5 na lang ko nila. Sayang yun, but Doug Kramer, another sorry miss for Doug Kramer.
Oo. At sayang yun, hindi sila nakalapit. 5 points pa rin ang lamang. Cablay traps in the backcourt. And yun na nga, nakompleto na ang steal. Di maunahan to Intal. Ganda ng defense rin na natin kay Intal. Waits precious time.
Magkakampi sa Harbor Center yan eh. Yung amateur days nila.
Intal gets it. Oo. Finally, nakakuha ng
alam mo,
jumper.
hinihintay natin breakout game dito kay JC Intal eh. He already has 7 points in the ball game.
Just watch him make his move. Absorbing the contact, tapos soft touch para dun sa field goal na yun, pero soft touch din sa free throw.
Example kayo si Kramer tsaka si John Dan Salvador. Double lane violation yan.
Canaleta, babalik sa loob ng laro. Labas muna si Arwin Santos. So hindi pigsali
Papahingahin
magkasabay
muna.
ng dalawa.
Well, ideally, ang papalitan ni Canaleta sana si Intal. But Intal maganda na yung laro niya dito eh.
Picking up, baka biglang pumutok eh. So they'll ride Intal and see how far he can go. Pero tapik palabas ang bola rito.
21 yan. Dahil ang tumapik niyan si John Dan Salvador.
So only a 3-point lead, 64-61. So pwedeng gawing 1 o pwedeng tumabla ang Air 21. Depende sa magiging resulta rito sa offensive play nila.
At maganda yan. Going into the fourth quarter, tikit na naman tayo. Pure Foods failed to break this game wide open.
Homer C make his move once again. Ang layup niya! Doesn't go! Sayang naman yun.
Sayang na layup na gano'n.
Lead pass to Peter Jun Simon. Goes all the way up. 2 shots, sabi ng referee. Who is guilty? Si Canaleta ba o si Intal? Nino Canaleta. Natawagan ng second personal foul. 51.6 seconds na lang. Tira sa atin quarter. And Peter Jun Simon chance to extend. But
Sabi
only...
nga, first half, kita mo, 13 points siya. Nakota na niya kagad yung average ng 13.4. nabobokya siya dito. Ngayon pala na nadagdagan yung kanyang puntos.
Average niya.
Second, Peter Jun Simon is likewise in. So 15 points in the ball game for the super sub.
More importantly para sa Pure Foods, balik sa 5 ang lamang nila.
Sayang, dahil baba na sana ng isa no? Air 21 had a couple of opportunities to do that. Jane and Tal.
3-point attempt, wala yun. Wide right ang kanyang tira. Ito si Lanete. He's speeding to the basket. Pero yung layup niya, wala dami ng ganyan ngayon sa game na to. No? Yung layup na nandun na.
Tanto na.
Niluluwa ng
Niluluwa
ring on
pa
both
ng
sides.
ring, oo. But yun ang kagandahan kay Chico Lanete na he did not allow himself to be ambushed. Binilisan niya pagbaba ng bola.
Speaking of ambush, knockout play.
Nako yun, knockout play yun. Peter Jun Simon.
Ayan, narinig ko
4 straight points.
Di pala ako nakakascore dito sa second half. Ito 4 points para sa'yo in a minute time. 22 seconds remaining in the quarter.
May difference sa 4 seconds. Ano?
Di maunahan. To Canaleta, open from 3. Long yan. And then Pure Foods. Kablay is ahead. Lanete goes to Kablay. Hangs in the air. Wala yan. Dahil pang oras.
Bakit doon?
Kramer. 4 seconds to go. They better hurry if they want to make a basket here. Di maunahan. Sees it. Ito, tumira from half court. Pwede ang tira ni Di maunahan. Sa pagtapos ng ating third quarter, Pure Foods pa rin ang lamang. But Air 21 hanging around enough to make it a game in the fourth quarter. Record to start this conference. Ito, mga teams na ito. Swift, 1992, started 6-0. Nag-champion sila, Tony Harris, ayan. Ronnie Tompkins,
ito eh.
Diba, 1993. Tapos diba si Yang Giao, may buhok pa nun. Ito si Sean Chambers. Tim Cone, diba, leading Alaska. Diba, to the championship.
Ito si Damian Owen.
Ano ko, sino yun? Sino yan?
Bakit ba sinama pa yun? Star ba yun doon sa team na yun?
Wala the Pure Foods now, will they make it? Diba kasi 10 of the last 12 teams which raised to at least 6-0 went on to win the championship. So the odds are in favor of Pure Foods. Kung
maaga pa to eh.
mga numero titingnan mo, pwede. A run of question marks ang nilagay natin sa graphics na yun. So layo pa eh. Pwede mangyari. Hindi pa sila...
At the start of the tournament, hindi naman Pure Foods ang pinapaboran dito eh. Magnolia and Token Text. Sa papel ha.
Hindi man lang third ang Pure Foods na pinag-uusapan.
Kahit nag-champion pa sila sa pre-season tournament, hindi pa sila yun. Alaska pa yata yun eh.
Pero nakita natin great teams have gone on to win championships ang quarter scoring natin.
Well, itong Pure Foods, itong first and third quarters, averaging about 25 points in both quarters. Kaya naman sila dito ng 68-61.
So Pure Foods looking to go 7-0 sa larong ito at para ma-join nila ibang mga teams na pinakita natin just a while ago. Blast from the pass. Video. Ito si Lanete. Behind the back to Simon. Tuloy-tuloy. She gotta give half the credit to Chico Lanete on that play.
Showtime na agad.
Start of the fourth one. Hindi mo naman yan.
Panoorin natin to ha. Highlight ito eh. Chico Lanete behind the back pass. Completed by Peter
Kontra-tempo
Simon.
pa yung pasa niya eh. Di ba? Parang hindi pa nakaka-set. Binigay na agad.
7 straight points para dito kay Peter Jun Simon.
Ito si Homer Se. Wants to get 2 of his own. Stop! Kay Richard D. At ayun, wasted opportunity naman para sa Air 21. 10-point deficit na. Ito Pure Foods.
Ano yun? Biglang nawala ang depensa ng Air 21 eh.
Who do you stop? The man with the ball, di ba? Dapat.
Ay.
Wala eh.
Biglang nawala ang depensa ng Air 21 that time.
12-point lead by Pure Foods. Full timeout para kay Coach Bo Perasol. He can't let this slip away dito sa ating start ng fourth quarter on easy layups such as this. Ito si Brandon Cablay. Ay, hindi nyo ako babantayan. Eto, sa inyo. Tayong bata rito ha. Ano ba ngayon? Anong araw ba ngayon? Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Alam, pasok yung mga ngayon. Masyadong bata pa yung iba dyan. Aris di maunahan. Leading the charge for Air 21. Kailangan makabalik.
Ben scoring lamang ang DJ Giants eh. Peter Jun Simon yun eh.
Ito, to get this started, ayan, si Randy Del Campo getting to the line. Eric Reyes has a report on the Air 21 Express.
Well, nakita natin in this last play, bago mag-free throw to si Randy Del Campo, na there was a lot of movement. Motion offense ang pinagana ng Air 21. Yun ang kailangan nila, yung sinabi ni Coach Bo Perasol. In their previous plays lahat, sila nakatayo na lang. That's why the defense of Pure Foods nakaabang na lang and it's easier for them to just get that rebound and streak for a fast break. Charlie?
Well, ang ganda nga ng movement. They get the foul. Pero Ranidel de Ocampo, something